Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to reset and factory reset your MX10. So let's begin here in the settings immediately, storage and reset. We have factory reset, and when you press erase everything, it will start to erase all the data that you have in your smartbox. Also, it will restore it. Here in the settings is the second method. At the bottom we will find system, and we have reset options here at the least options. We have three options to reset it with Wi-Fi, app preference, or erase everything. We are going to use erase everything for today. We need all the data for this smartbox to be wiped. When you press erase everything, it will begin to do all the work to erase all the data, and it will be a factory reset, so that means all the things will be gone. As you can see now, the box is restarting and erasing everything. Let's wait a couple of minutes and this should be ready to use it again. As you can see, it's trying to start. It will take just a few minutes. It depends how many storage that you had to erase. For us, this is very quick because we didn't have too much things in the smart box. You can see now the setup box installation. It's installing the app and the status. We should wait again a couple of minutes, as I said before, and it will be done sooner. As you can see right now, this is done. We have the 5-step to complete or to use our box again. We have language, screen zoom, Wi-Fi, launcher, and remote control. And after you do these steps, you can use your smartbox again just like it was. You can see right here again we have default options, default apps, and this is it. Is that easy? Now for the hard reset, you have to get a toothpick or something that you can poke the button in the bottom of that hole. While you are pressing the button, you should put your power on, as you can see like we are doing, and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds. You can see right here we are still holding the button, and we should get the screen, as you can see it right here. Now we are at the factory reset. As you can see, reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data factory, and wipe cache. You can just wipe the cache, or you can wipe the data factory or factory reset. This is the hard reset, and this is way more useful or than the other reset that we did. As you can see at the bottom, it says wiping data. So this should be done in just a few minutes as before. And we have now the logo MX10. Let's see. It's starting immediately to restart and to load the screen as it should. So again we have the same screen. we saw the factory reset, the reset at the settings, and 3 more options. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smart box.